the Star Wars land under construction. These are the, can you see my finger? These are the main, presumably, ride buildings.
Well, first, this right here is Matterhorn. Right there.
Yep, and Rocky Thunder.
And Rocky Thunder. But that's Star Wars land.
You can orient people. Look, there's Guardians of the Galaxy down there.
Guardians is
across the way.
This is from the top of Mickey and Friends.
And then walk over and show the new parking lot.
And then we'll take a walk this way. And there's Disneyland Hotel right there. And this is the construction, the new parking structure. So there's DCA right there.
The new hotel's going to go in straight ahead between us and Paradise Pier.
That's Paradise Pier.
You can actually see there's Rainforest Cafe. You can see it.
Oh, well,
and that's going to come down, and the new hotel's going to be right there.
Yeah.
ESPN zone, that's going to get bulldozed.
Yep. Cool.
So here's everything they're going to tear down for the new hotel. That is the security bag check entrance from the Disneyland Hotel. And on your right here is ESPN zone. So coming in through that gate, ESPN zone is going to get destroyed. I'm going to pan over. Earl of Sandwich over there, and the AMC movie theater, which is I think 18 screens.
Yeah.
This is all going to get demolished for the new hotel. The new hotel is literally going to be right where we're standing. The Disney Vacation Club building there, which is attached to the AMC, that's going to get demolished. Everything up until the monorail, which is right there, is going to be demolished. And then there's the Rainforest Cafe. That's also going to be gone. Panning back around, here's a temporary stage they do events at Disney, and that's ESPN Cafe again. And then there's another bag check over there. But all this is going to be the new hotel, the bottom of the new hotel, including Amber's ears. So this will be gone, and I'm part sad, part excited.
We're checking out the new menu at Flo's V8 Cafe. Here's the menu. We just ate at Flo's V8 Cafe. They have a new menu. It was delicious. Adrian's drinking a chocolate shake.
It's very delicious.
How was it?
This shake is delicious.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And it had gravel on top, right?
I had Oreo on top.
Oreo, yep.
And the cheeseburger was good.
So I think it's called road gravel that they put on top, and it's Oreo cookies, like, mashed up.
Yeah, so we're in Flo's V8 Cafe in Carsland. And they used to have this, like, ridiculous menu of, like, pork sandwiches. I don't even know. It's like hardcore fans. I've seen people on Reddit defend it, and I respect those people. But this place, when you walk up to it, screams milkshakes and burgers. It's like pulling into a parking lot with a Toys R Us and expecting to go buy toys, but all they have is men's clothing. Okay, that's how this place was before. You walked in, it was utter disappointment. So they've added cheeseburgers and shakes, and the universe is just right now.
I agree.
Oh, but the cheeseburgers look mediocre.
But they're delicious.
They taste really good.
They're so
They
good.
taste really good. I mean, it's like an In-N-Out quality. It's fine. It tastes better than it looks.
Yes, it tastes a lot better than it looks. We generally don't have a lot of complaints about food
And
in
steak fries.
Disney at all. We normally like all of the food.
We do, but and you can only get steak fries here.
Yeah. If you like steak fries, they're delicious. If you don't, they're steak fries. So it's not that they're gross, it's just they're thicker. So if you like thicker fries, they're wonderful.
Yes.
Fantastic. So I would say that we give it 2 thumbs up.
Sure. 3 stars out of 4?
Yep.
3?
Yep.
Is it
2
big now?
thumbs. We liked it. Here's the progress on Pixar Pier. That Right there is going to be the Incredicoaster. There's Mickey's Fun Wheel. I think they're going to be putting new and different.
A lot more tunnels.
Oh, yeah, it is. A lot more tunnels. They're putting new carriages on the Ferris wheels. Is that what that's called? A carriage?
Maybe painted with Pixar characters.
Yeah, but are they carriages?
Yeah, I guess so. Carts, carriages.
Carts, yeah. Carriages. So that opens on June 22nd for a special event and June 23rd for everybody else. It's pretty cool.